Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on the fastest and easiest way to paint calipers that are on your car. Here in front of me I have a few things that you're going to need in order to do so. You have your safety glasses. Always got to make sure that you protect your eyes. You're going to be using some corrosive chemicals. In this case it's going to be degreaser, a degreaser of your choice. You're going to need some tape, painter's tape preferably, to tape off any of the rubber pieces that you don't want to get, sprayed with either degreaser or paint. You're gonna need a few different types of brushes, or one would be okay. I'm gonna use these two different types to get into the crevices of the brake caliper to remove all that dirt, dust, and debris. Because the degreaser is so corrosive on my fingers and hands, I'm gonna be using some gloves. I like to break the caliper loose so that I can kind of swivel it out, get the clean on the backside as well. I have my paint that I'm going to be using. In this case, it's flame proof up to 1300 through 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. And because this is kind of a flat color and I want it to be a little more shiny, I bought some flame proof clear. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Of course, I'm going to put on our gloves. Now to remove the tire, I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory. Everybody has the tools that come with the car to remove the tire. Got my gloves on, safety. So we're just gonna start by popping this loose. I've got it lifted up off of the rotor so that I can get in here nice and good. All these little spots that you're gonna see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start degreasing it. Now I'm going to scuff it up so that the paint would adhere. I'm going to use this old paint. As you can see, I've painted these once before as a primer. Alright, so what I'm going to be using today to scuff it up, it's just going to be a new sponge from the dollar store because it has this rough, abrasive backside. You're just going to go in here and scuff everything up. Now you don't have to remove any of the paint or nothing like that. Just make sure that it's nice and you can see that it gets this white texture, or whiter texture if you will, after it's been scuffed a bit. Just get in there. Now we'll let this dry. I'll come back we'll mask everything up and we'll give it our first layer of paint. This first coat, I'm gonna just give it like a nice little dust coat. There's gonna be 3 coats with like 2 minutes of rest in between. All right, so in this coat, you're gonna wanna make sure that you get it a little heavier in the spots that you might have missed. All right, so for the third and final coat, this one you're gonna make sure that you have full coverage over all the spots because this is gonna be the final result. And I'm gonna spray it with my clear so it gives me that nice shine that I'm looking for. All right, now it's time to put the icing on the cake. This is gonna be the clear, which hopefully will help bring out the shine and make it everlasting. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How to paint your calipers the fastest and easiest way. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned.